This year, make your Christmas get-together fun and meaningful.
So I'm really excited about the Christmas party. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be so much fun. And I'm literally trying to sort out all the entertainment now. So I've been phoning magicians. I've been getting a really good DJ in. It's going to be incredible. I want to make sure everybody's got the correct dietary requirements. So whether they're vegan, vegetarian, meat eaters, gluten-free. And also I want to make sure that everybody's definitely got their hotel booked and their taxi booked. So I have taken 5 local ones. I've done reviews, I've done research, I've looked at the menus, the pricing, the budget, the distance to the local hotels, and I've put all this information into my spreadsheet. Great, so we are going to have the Christmas party. It's really important that everybody has a fantastic time. I want it to be really successful. So who is doing what?
Give your team an insights discovery workshop this Christmas. They'll leave with better communication, stronger relationships, and practical tools they can use both at work and at home. What a fabulous gift for your team.